Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the iPhone 13 mini for Boost Mobile. Currently the iPhone 13 mini is currently out of stock at Boost Mobile, so hopefully they'll get it back in stock soon. So I know that this video might be a bit late for the iPhone 13 mini for Boost, but I didn't know that Boost Mobile had the iPhone 13 mini. I thought that Boost Mobile just got the iPhone 13, the 13 Pro and the 13 Pro Max, but then I later found out that they had a 13 mini as well, so I figured I'd do a video on it, so if you guys are looking to get an iPhone 13 mini at Boost Mobile, they do have it, but it's not in stock right now, so they do have an iPhone 13 mini at Boost. So yeah, so let's go ahead and check this out. So they got it in the 3 storage options: 128 gigs, 256 gigs, or 512 gigabytes of storage. The 128 gigs is $729.99, 256 gigs $829.99, 512 gigs $1029.99, and it is all out of stock. They got the colors here. They got midnight, which is graphite. They got starlight, red, pink, and blue. I think all colors are not in stock, so that sucks, but I'm still doing a video anyway. So there's the phone right there. You guys know what the iPhone 13 mini is. It's basically the iPhone 12 mini from last year, but with slightly better internal, so you guys can get your nuts there for your front facing camera, earpiece. Right side has your power button, left side has your volume keys and your alert switch. Back of the phone is your dual camera setup along with your camera flash, Apple logo, and whatnot. There's your cameras right there. I think it's an ultra wide and a wide angle lens on the rear here on this one, so pretty cool. It has cinematic mode, is shadow depth of field, shifts focus automatically. It also has the MagSafe accessories as well, which is compatible with those. And you guys got the wireless charging thing and different accessories here, so pretty cool. So it says here, iPhone 13 mini, the most advanced dual camera system ever on iPhone, lightning fast A15 bionic chip, a leap in battery life, durable design, super fast 5G, and a brighter Super Retina XDR display. Alright. So the specs on this phone has a 5.4-inch display, 12 megapixel cameras on front and back. All 3 cameras are 12 megapixels. 17 hours of talk time, 4K video recording, and iOS 15 on board. You guys will get like 5 years of iOS updates, which is pretty fucking insane. Of course, how's it work? Is order today, wait for your friend to arrive, pick a plan, and activate online. iPhone 13, you need super power, a super bright display, and a durable design. Hollywood-worthy video shooting made easy. A lightning fast chip, and a big boost in battery life you'll notice every day. Super bright, super colorful, super sharp. A more vivid OLED display that's both easy to see in full sunlight and power efficient, with a durable design that's water and dust resistant. So they're comparing the iPhone 13 and the iPhone 13 mini right here. It has a Super Retina XDR display. Water resistance, has an aluminum grade. It has a aerospace grade aluminum edges. It has a ceramic shield and it has 5 different colors, which this only has 4. Right? No, 5 colors. 5 colors. 5 colors. Alright. So it does have cinematic mode on there. iPhone went to film school, so you don't have to automatically create beautiful depth effects and focus transitions in your videos. Bring a new level of storytelling to the scenes you shoot. Cinematic mode is available on the true depth front camera, dual camera system, totally advanced camera, simply brilliant photos. A huge upgrade for better photos and videos. More light captured with the wide camera, censored shift, optical image stabilization, and more detail in dark areas of your photos with the ultra wide camera. A new diagonal design fits a larger wide camera and sensor. Raises the bar for battery life. A big boost in battery life you'll notice every day. That means more time to watch, game, and do more of what you love, even on iPhone 13 mini. Up to 19 hours of video playback on a single charge. Speed boosting, camera elevating, power optimizing chip. A15 Bionic powers graphics, intensive games, and new camera features like cinematic mode and photographic styles. And it's more efficient, helping deliver longer battery life. Fast performance today and powerful capabilities for years to come. No one does 5G like iPhone. Everything happens so much faster on 5G. It's fast enough for multiplayer gaming and more. And smart data mode automatically saves battery power when you don't need all that speed. There's no phone like iPhone. And they're gonna tell you why. Smart performance. Apple design chip for speed, power efficiency, and intelligence in everything you do. Protects your privacy. Every aspect is designed to keep your information private and secure, durable, and retains value. iPhone is built to last and holds its value longer than other smartphones, and that is very true, guys. Sustainability. iPhone is designed with the environment in mind, using recycled materials. Specs on the iPhone 13 mini. It has a built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery, MagSafe, and Qwise charging capable, 14 hours of talk time, non-removable battery, of course. 3 storage options, 128 gigs, 256 gigs, or 512 gigs. A15 Bionic chip, iOS 15 on board. You guys will get like 5 years of OS updates, which is pretty fucking cool. Cameras, dual 12 megapixel cameras, which are ultra wide and wide angle lens there, so pretty cool. The wide camera is a f1.6 aperture lens, and then the ultra wide camera is a f2.4 aperture lens there. Display 5.4 inches OLED Super Retina XDR display. Dimensions 5.18 inches height, 2.53 inches width, and 0.30 inches depth. The iPhone 13 mini weighs 4.97 ounces. Connectivity options include Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi, Lightning connector, and Apple Pay. Other features, of course, includes FaceTime, video and audio, Apple Card, and Siri. What's included in the box is your iPhone 13 mini with iOS 15, USB-C to Lightning cable, and your documentation. That is it. There is no charging brick in the box this year because Apple assumes that you guys got a charging brick to charge your iPhone. So, yeah. And if you guys need help with your iPhone 13 mini, Boost Mobile has you covered with the voice support here. So it says here, want to know everything there is to know about this phone. Learn everything from setting up your email to managing all of your games and applications. So, pretty cool there. So, yeah, there you guys have it. The iPhone 13 mini. Now here at Boost Mobile, it is currently out of stock. No option is available in stock. No option. No, doesn't matter what color that you guys try to choose from. the iPhone 13 mini is totally out of stock at Boost Mobile right now. So do keep it in mind. So I did not know that Boost Mobile had the iPhone 13 mini. I didn't know they had it. So I found out like a couple days later. But here we are. So yeah. If you guys want an iPhone 13 mini for Boost Mobile, they do have it. But it's not in stock right now, guys. So you guys have to be patient with that. So there you guys have it. iPhone 13 mini now here at Boost Mobile. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in this one. Peace out.